In before noon. Ah, yeah. Gotta love being in before noon, freak's sakes. So I'm just sitting here and I'm going through the comments on the video. See, look, you can tell I'm going through all the comments because it's Wednesday. It's not noon yet. It's in before noon, and I haven't done commenting on comments yet. Fuck. I also haven't washed my face yet. Fuck. So you want to know how I film commenting on comments when I'm sitting upstairs in the bedroom? Real fucking simple. I got a program called Push. It's this fucking arrow right there. That arrow. What it does is it allows you to do screen cap. Then it saves the screen caps to your computer as a picture file, which I then open up into Windows Picture Viewer, and bam. And to record this nonsense, I use my fucking webcam, people. I'm using that dirty friggin' Logitech webcam that has infrared coming out of it for some stupid reason to film my friggin' look. Hi, it's live. It's not recording right now, but it's live. Before I do anything, oh my goodness, I need to go for a shit because fuck, man, I'm growing a second tail. Oh, farted. Yeah, I gotta go poop. So, burp. Before I go, I'm wearing my dog slippers. Scampers is not sure about them. She's their dog. Scampers is not sure about my doggy slippers. Right, Scampers? Fuck. See her tail? See how fucking fluffy? Look at her tail. How fluffy she made it. She's so scared of my doggy slippers. Why is Darth Vader on the ground? Son of a bitch. Fucking cat dog. Anyway, I'm gonna let her do whatever she's doing. Let him carry on doing that. Addict for crap. Holy, don't go in there. I would have lit a match, but I have none. So when I'm going through the comments, I see what everybody writes, and somebody said my kidneys are failing because this fucking camera and it's look at the color correct. Look at it go. You know? Oh, we're there. We've only been filming for 35 seconds, and the camera finally decided to catch up. You know? And people think that my kidneys are failing because I get these marks in my eyes, but I don't know what the frick's going on because I look in the mirror and I'm fine. It's just on the camera, the color balance causes these looks like I got punched out by the cops or something. I don't know. But no. Kidneys are fine, and if they do fail, well, it is what it is, you know, fuck. But, yeah, everything's fine over here, people. No big deal. Sure, if there was kidney failure happening, I'd have other signs, too. What the fuck is really going on? Why is this thing actually playing right now? I never told it to do that. Dick. Well, holy shit on a Ritz cracker. I got her done, boys. I got her done. Currently 12:30 in the afternoon, and I'm rendering up a CoC. Fucking rights I am. So now I just gotta make the thumbnail for it and then give her. But look, this TV is fuck. The resolution I have it in, there's lines getting cut off of it, and look at the media bins. It almost looks like a picture, not even media bins. But it's because I turned up the resolution to I think it's 1440 by 900 now, and it seems to be holding. It's just, oh my goodness, good stretch at him. But yeah, the other resolution I had it on was 1366 by 768 or some shit like that, and just everything on the screen looked way too fucking big. Apparently my mini bikes are My Little Pony bikes. So for today's thumbnail and commenting on comments, fucking just giving her on a My Little Pony bike. How awesome is that, eh? Commenting on comment. There we go. Got her uploading right now. One thing I noticed that's kind of weird is I don't have the option to add the thumbnail right away. Normally as you're uploading you have the option to add the thumbnail, but I don't have that option right now. I don't know. YouTube's being fucking weird. You know what I love about Trisha Hirschberger? That's the bikini girl on my wallpaper on my computer, is that she totally vlogs naked. Yup. Don't believe me? It's actually the naked truth on Bad Boys. She talks about, on this video here, she's talking about how girls only go for bad boys, and she clued me into something. Apparently the same applies for girls. Apparently boys like to go out with bitches and not nice girls. Maybe that's why I keep saying I can't find a nice girl. All I find is a bunch of bitches. Maybe I just need to like change my ways or something, or change my tastes and quit hooking up with fucking idiots. Just saying. See, the problem when you don't read the news, or you don't get the news, or you just don't watch the news, just a bunch of nonsense, the news. I find it's just to scare the sheeple. But everybody today is talking about a shooting in Ottawa. Apparently an armed dick walked into Ottawa and shot some people. Gunman killed at Parliament Hill. Other suspects sought. So there's other, like, is this fucking ISIS or what's really going on here? Like, stand by. Oh, they got a movie. Right back. Well, as of an hour ago, this is the update. 3 confirmed shootings, War Memorial Center block near Rideau River. 1 gunman dead, police hunting more suspects. TW patients headed for Civic Hospital TW, I'm not sure what that means. Schools are in lockdown, the bridges are closed. Yuppers. Also, people on Facebook are saying that the base in town here is on lockdown. Like, what's really going on? Even Logie commented on Facebook, fucking shit's going down in Ottawa. So for Logie to comment on Facebook doesn't happen very often. And when he does comment, he comments about his Jeep. For him to comment about something not about his Jeep, yeah, shit's going down. So, just fucked. Well, there you go. Update NORAD, North Bay increases alert posture. Base closed photos. Oh shit. Shutting her down, boys. CFB North Bay is locked down and NORAD has increased its alert posture following the Ottawa shootings. I wonder if this is related to that fucking ISIS group. Fucking ISIS group. Yesterday when I was talking about the GoPro setup that Bubbles or Mike Smith uses on the Really Fucking Real show. Well, I got a monopod here. This is the one I bought. Oh god, when was that? Probably 2012 when I went to London to visit Bloke. This one has the mirror on it, so you get an idea as to where the camera's pointing. You just look in the mirror. If you see your face, you're good to go. But I also have another monopod, and I don't know where the fuck I put it. It's missing in action for some reason. Oh, you guys know how like Pug One uses it all the time. It's a harness for the GoPro. So it's right here, like right on your chest, so that you can move your head around and it doesn't distort the vision and people see like what your body's going through pretty much. Well, I was on Deal Extreme and they had those on sale now. Future Shop wants $50 fucking for it. That's ridiculous. That's a lot of money for a couple pieces of like strapping and a GoPro mount. You know, that's a little bit expensive. But Deal Extreme had that same thing on for $10. Oh, I just shit my pants. And they also had this other one which was really cool that I had to get for $5, and the GoPro sits right here like a parrot. And it basically goes over here, wherever you want it. You put it on, snap the GoPro on, bang. You can have it on the left shoulder, right shoulder, and literally it's just a strap that goes around your tits and then goes over your shoulder, and clip the camera onto it. Done. So I figured, you know, I'm pretty sure that romping season's fucked for this year. But you never know, we might get back out there and get her done. It's hard to say. With the way the weather's been acting lately, it's really hard to say because right now it's nice out. Like it's sunny as frig, but it's also cold. Like it's 3 degrees out right now. That's kind of brutal. And where the frig did that other freaking thing go? I don't get it. It was right over here and it was, I don't know. I have to find that now. It's bugging the tits off me. I'm gonna have to find that. I also need to clean up this area over here. All this shit. I gotta clean all this shit up. I need to find my iPad because I haven't charged it in like a month. To be honest, I don't even know where my iPad... Oh, there's the iPad. So I got the iPad. I don't even know where the charger is for it. I gotta find that. That's for the helicopter. I gotta find the charger for the oh, there it is. Okay. So I got the charger and the iPad. I'm gonna put those on a charge. And then we gotta get the frig out of here because I got some running around to do, so I gotta go places. Let's go. I swear she's trying to get used to the vape. So she sits outside my door when I'm like chain vaping in there just so she can get some and get used to it. Look at all the dander. Look at all the dander onto her. You're not doing a good job cleaning your shit. You're not doing a good job cleaning your shit. Okay, I'm going to just rest the camera on the kitty and see what happens. Just going to rest it on the cat's... Oh, geez, she's doing this thing where she's knocking it off. Oh, she doesn't want any of it. She doesn't want any of it. You don't like this kind? You don't like this kind? Why don't you talk to me? Why don't you fucking talk to me? What are you doing? Why don't you talk to me? Hey? Sniff, sniff. Oh, freaking kitty. Holy shit, boys. Without that much gas left, I'm probably not even going to make it to the end of the driveway. The way this thing gurgles. At its 9.8 liters per 100 kilometers. Thirsty bitch. I'm down here at Jiffy Lubes. I'm going to pay for an expensive oil change. Fuck it. I'm due. I got about 20% left on the oil. So we'll get her popped out and put new oil into it, some Castrol synthetic there, that's what they use here. Probably not the greatest, but fuck it, the car sucks anyway, so we're gonna jam that into her, probably charge me $170,000 and then we'll be fucking good to go. So we'll just wait for these guys to finish with whatever the hell they got in there and then we'll drive the car in and fucking stab her with brand new oil. It'll be awesome. Jesus Murphy, I can't roll the car in there, this fucking vapey. Gotta do something about that like stat. Got both windows down, got the vapor, the freaking defroster on. Jesus, smarten up, Adam. It's 94 bucks later and I'm good for another 10,000 kilometers for frig's sakes. Alright, let's go finish off the shit. It's 2:41 right now. That cost me a lot of time. Time well wasted, I suppose. I kind of need this car to last, so oil changes are good. Didn't need to do one today, but I figured frig it, we'll get it out of the way. Fuck, I don't know if it's safe to be following this guy. Take a look at those tires. Those are some ratty fucking retreads if you ask me. Yup, those look pretty ratty. Could be wrong, maybe they're supposed to look like that, but fuck do they ever look ratty. This side is kind of faded out because of the darkness, but you see the light on those and those don't look too healthy, that's for sure. Got an ambulance coming, but this son of a bitch in this fucking Kia totally cuts me, like comes into my lane back there and like we almost exchanged paint. This fucking Kia. I just love how a car feels after an oil change, eh? Engine's so quiet and everything's so perfect. Steering's still more noisier than two billy goats banging on a cliff, but can't have everything, I suppose. Alrighty, we're done at the mall. I'm kind of famished, so I figured before we hit up work, we'll hit up Subway, grab a sandwich, and fucking give her. But first we have to try and get the frig out of here. Son of a bitch. That moment when you realize that the mall you just came from is on fucking Instagram. Dicked. Holy fuck, that moment when you see a girl and she's so ugly you're not sure if she's Asian or if she's just a white girl who ate too many paint chips as a child. Fuck. But anyway, we got some food. Let's go to work. Well, I got a fuck of a lot done today. A lot of stuff you guys probably aren't aware of, and that's why I like it. But a lot of shit got dealt with today and things are good. Car's got a new oil change into her. Running like a top, and we got some food to fuck over. So I'm gonna head her inside, get this shift over with. Maybe I'll make a vlog at midnight if I have something to talk about. If I don't, fuck it. But thanks for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, leave a like or whatever the frig you want to do, and leave a comment for commenting on comments and things. That's what I'm thinking about doing the more often now. I mentioned that on commenting comments on last Wednesday, which was when this was filmed right now, which is the reason why I got the fucking oil change. And decided to film it to show you guys that I do get oil changes. Jesus. But yeah, I'm gonna shut her down. Fucking call it quits for now. So check in later. Keep on vlogging.